Good morning, all. Yes, we are here. I'm Ismail Valije. I came here to India to the hospital Yashoda by appointed for people coming to Mozambique, and they talked to us, and we came here as an attendant for accompanying my mother. She was feeling heart problems for the arterial valves, not was head obstruction, no? And he came here for the second opinion, and the doctor, we meet the team, and they introduced us the Dr. Guru Prakash, and he was very kindly, and they explained all regarding the consultants. With many questions we did to him, and he explained well. He explained to my mother the consequence, and before and after what is going to be. And my mother was very tension to decide, but that time was very tension for all of us to decide that. And according to the team and according to Dr. Prakash, he gave us confidence, he gave us everything. We decided to do the operation, the procedure, the stent procedure. And after that, we follow all the procedures, all the team do the catheterism, angioplastic. And after, the doctor show me what is happening inside, how we going to apply the stent, everything on that. And I talked to my mother, and we agreed to start to go ahead on the procedure. This happens on 10 July, I don't know the dates, but exactly. And after that, the recovery will come, 10 days will come good, progressive, and she feeling good now. Now we are on our way back to organize this back to Mozambique. We are very satisfied with the team, international team. They are always happy to follow us. No? They attend of us. We are all satisfied. Then let's see in the future what is going to happen, but we are 90%, or can say 100% positive. Will be in satisfaction. Okay? Occasional for this, I want to say very thankful to Dr. Prakash. He was very attendant doctor, his profession, show his professional side, and instead of professional, also a friendly. That is very good for a patient like my mother. Thank you for all the team. Plan to come back again. And we can recommend to other people who have this procedure, who have this problem, to come and visit them and go ahead. Thank you all the people.